Hey you guys, sorry for the long delay. I've been meaning to do this tutorial, but I've just been procrastinating, dealing with life's obstacles. But this review is going to be on Sensational Instant Weave HD7055. And I've worn this wig for a week already. I just redid the front of my hair a couple of hours ago. I will have pictures of how I wore it last week, because last week I wore it to the Trey Songz concert, and this is how I'm wearing it now. It's really long. Let me turn around so you can get the full view. I didn't cut it. It's really pretty. I got it in color number 4. As far as maintenance, I'm just wearing it as is. I'm not putting any mousse, any water, anything on it, because I haven't. Usually I do that. I put the mousse or something on it to kind of tame the curls when I be sweating and when I'm outside. But since I'm through with summer school, I'm just laying around the house until it's time for me to go to work. So I just leave it as is. Put my satin cap on it, take it off, and just fluff the curls out. Before, how I had it, it was, some people call them ocean waves, some people call them barrel curls, but I had it going to the side over here, and it was like a little wave. I have pictures at the end so you can see what I was talking about. I've been meaning to talk about the combs. I know I always skip the combs and the adjustable straps and all of that, but it has 2 combs, one in front and one in the back. The combs could be a little bit bigger. Sensational combs are rather on the small side for me because I have a big head and it feels like my wig is not secure. But it does have adjustable straps in the back as well. It's really soft. I'm so used to putting my leave-in conditioner and water and mousse on it that I forget how soft the wigs are when you first get them. It's holding up pretty well for it to be a week already. I think tomorrow will be 1 week. For it to be a week, it's holding up really well as far as maintenance without having anything to tame the curls or anything like that. It's not hot. It's thin up top, but as it goes down to the bottom, it gets fuller. I do like that. Like I said, I didn't cut it because the length is perfect. It's not hot on my head like all the other wigs are. And it's the hottest month of the year, August. So I really do like this wig for that. But what else do I have to say? Oh, I am going to be doing some makeup tutorials real soon. I bought some Avon quads, and this is how they look with the Avon engraved on the front. I didn't get them from Avon.com. I always buy my stuff off of eBay if I can get it open. And this one was called Island Breeze quad, and this is it right here. It's really pretty colors. The color pigment is really nice. And I also bought another one, and they come in a black box. For those of you who don't buy Avon, I do recommend it. I'm not a representative. I just buy it off of eBay. I see what I want in the catalogs, and I just go on eBay and find it. And this is another one. This is blue denim blues, and it comes with a really big mirror, and it comes with a small applicator, but I won't be using those, so stay tuned for some tutorials on that. Okay, how could I get the most important thing, how I did the front of my hair? What I did was I set them on magnetic rollers, which are these right here, and I used 4 of them, and it was 1 right here and 3 right here. You know how you just aim for a roller set? Basically that's what it was. You just put the rollers together, and I did 4 of them. And if you guys don't know what magnetic clips are, they are silver. I don't have any up here, but they're little silver clips. I wish I had some by, but you all know when you get magnetic rollers, you get the clips. But that's how I set the front of my hair. I used a little, what is it, Lottie Body setting lotion. It doesn't matter, something that will hold your curl. I used some of that, and I just put a little oil sheen on the front of my hair. And